my next question is, you have a lot of really incredible people that work with you,
yes,
a lot of providers.
Yes.
Can you tell me a little bit about those providers and how they work with you and just a little bit about them?
Yes, so I've done a fellowship for the last 3 or 4 years where I've trained mid-level providers to assist with my hair loss clinic, and so they have followed me for over a year and know exactly how I approach hair loss, know how I evaluate it, and know how I treat it. So because I'm so booked out, which is a fortunate thing, but unfortunately for patients, it takes a while to get into me. So I have trained them. They can do the initial hair loss evaluation, they can start their treatments, and then when I have an opening, then people are free to see me. So with the hair transplant consults, we do have slots to see me a little bit earlier, but for the medical hair loss evaluations, it is kind of booked out right now, especially with COVID and all those things. So we appreciate your understanding with that, but we do have a ton of mid-level providers now, I think 5 or 6 that I've trained, that are very comfortable seeing hair loss. They know exactly how I approach it, and they are very good and thorough. And so those people are Courtney Steen, Heather Howell, Buki Aremo, Kelsey Strecker, Amanda Caldwell.
I think that's all 5.
Andy?
I don't think so. Andy Dean, yes, Andy Dean, and others.